to get success. Okay. So never see it as a blocker or a rejection when clients say, yes, but I want. Right? Then listen to them, take it, and then explain them why this is more of a risky way to do it. So this is this so-called offer or productized offer configurator. And the main goal is to find an offer that is kind of the first milestone your clients need to achieve in order to get closer to what they ultimately want to achieve. Now, if you look at William, typically William's clients, they want a software that is safe, that runs reliably, and that people love to use, right? They are typically afraid that they have to pay too much money and that quality is not good enough. So these are the problems people deal with when they consider hiring a software development service provider. So now we will find a first offer that makes it easy for your clients to start. For example, create a concept and fill a backlog with requirements to deliver the first sprint in 2 weeks, and your client gets a first minimal viable product with the most important requirements for his or her software. Right? That could be one small thing that you can convince them. Now, I get it. Clients typically say, yeah, but I want to know what the whole thing costs and how long it takes. But the answer is nobody knows yet. This first sprint will show us how fast we can deliver your requirements and how well they are defined. And then based on that, we can make a forecast that is more reliable because it's based on the data of the past sprint, right? That's how you sell it. You will always hear clients that want something differently, but your job in sales is to sell them what they really need to get success. Okay. So never see it as a blocker or a rejection when clients say, yes, but I want. Right? Then listen to them, take it, and then explain them why this is more of a risky way to do it and why starting smaller is of less risk. Okay. So what you want to sell is system integration, right? So we add that here, and now you see this ChatGPT prompt is created and extended. So the question is, what are subcategories of system integration? Please list all names of subcategories you know without further explanation. So now we add this here. Now we ask what else? Just more. And then you can select what are the main services you are experienced in and you want to provide. Okay, that already narrows down the scope of the broad topic system integration, because as you see, there are many systems you can integrate. Now it's up to you to make a decision on which ones. And I recommend choosing like up to 5 maximum. But we get some additional ideas here now. Okay, then we can take 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we add it here. And also 12, 14, and 19. Good. All right. And now you see you get a new ChatGPT command, which includes your specific service categories. And now we are asking, okay, when people buy this, then what is the main result they want? Because they don't just want data integration to have data integration. They want to have data integration because of saving time, making processes like automated or whatever, right? And we will get this now as an answer. So now let's say, what is the next thing we should do here? Give me a second. Please select what you create and deliver for your clients. So what of that are you providing or do you want to provide? And now it gives you ideas what you could package into a no-brainer offer. But from the buyer's journey, I would say it makes sense to, give me a second. This one I missed. Sorry. Would make sense to start in this order because it's already really good. It's here. No, it's there. There's just no break. It's all good. So you could call it Enterprise Integration Quick Start Package. And it starts with a business process analysis and then it tells you what you should do here. But in most cases, you know better, but it just puts your thoughts into the right. And then you do the solution design. So from my perspective, I would say this is already a good no-brainer offer, because when you also, it depends on how big the solution is, right? Either you create, if you have a big project, you only do these two things as the no-brainer offer for the entire project. Or when you, for example, start with, you want to automate tasks for them using Power Automate platform, then you might go with the business process analysis for one specific task. You design the solution for one task. You also implement it so clients benefit immediately from it. You test it, you deploy it, then you have the full life cycle for one specific task. And then based on this experience and the results clients got, they are happy because they already saved some time for this specific task. And then you can also integrate other tasks. Okay. Now the next thing is, what do you need to ask your client to get answers as input so you have all information to start your work? That is now the next thing. Okay, then I see it is red. So here, now you will get, because this is very important, as when you don't have all the information in the beginning, then you have this constant ping pong. Hey, can you tell me this? Can you give me that extra? And that delays the whole project and makes it very exhausting for everyone. That's then kind of your onboarding script or your onboarding quality standard. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to move to the next step, you can start with the resources I linked below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and share it. It will help to support this channel and create more helpful content for you regularly and make our digital work world a better place. Cheers and see you soon.